Hi, I'm Lisa from Crewbooking. In this video, I will show you the many advantages of the Crewbooking calendar. The Crewbooking calendar allows you to keep track of your activities in the easiest way. To access the calendar, click on Booking. The calendar will be displayed here on the left, while the list of your bookings will be shown on the right, by date. You can easily navigate through the calendar to search specific dates and bookings. To add a new booking, click on the plus icon. You can then add a professional or even a private event. For this video, we will create a professional booking. For both professional and private events, you will have to specify a title, the dates, and shifts. Let's title it New Booking. And say the event runs for 3 days. For the shifts, we can specify precise starting and ending hours or simply select that it runs all day. If the job is an option, select Option to stay available for other bookings. For a professional event, you can also specify the location, your role, and your rate. It can be an hourly or daily rate, or a fixed price for the whole job. But above all, you have the possibility to get your booking validated by tagging your client or employer. Click on Booker and select a booker by name if the person already has an account on Crewbooking. If not, you can send them an email by clicking on Add a New Contact. You can also easily find your previous bookers here. Select the company if needed. After having filled in the desired fields, click on Save and a notification will be sent to the booker, who will then have the choice to validate the booking or make changes to it. In that case, you will have the option of accepting or rejecting these modifications. During or after the job, you will also be able to give your feedback and get your extras validated. But that will be the subject of another video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos for more tips on how to use Crewbooking.